Can you become irresistibly likable with just 7 psychological tricks? What if I told you that being likable has less to do with being funny, attractive, or outgoing, and more to do with a few surprisingly simple psychological habits? Some people seem to win others over effortlessly. But are they naturally charming, or do they know something the rest of us don't? Today, we're uncovering 7 psychological tricks that can make you instantly more likable. Everyone wants to be liked. Whether you're making friends, building relationships, networking, or leading a team, likability matters. But this isn't about manipulation or pretending to be someone you're not. These are science-backed psychological principles that help people feel comfortable, understood, and connected around you. Let's dive in. Most advice about becoming more likable sounds painfully generic. Just be yourself. Smile more. Be confident. While those things can help, they don't explain why some people instantly create connection while others struggle, even when they're nice people. The truth is, humans are wired to respond to certain social signals. We naturally gravitate toward people who make us feel valued, understood, and safe. And once you understand a little psychology, creating those positive impressions becomes much easier. So here are 7 powerful tricks that can dramatically increase your likability. Trick 1. Use people's names. A person's name is one of the most emotionally significant words they hear. When you remember and occasionally use someone's name in conversation, they instantly feel more recognized and important. That's a great point, Sarah. Simple. Powerful. Trick 2. Ask more questions. People love talking about themselves. Instead of trying to impress others, get curious about them. Questions create engagement and make conversations feel meaningful. Trick 3. Mirror their energy. Subtly matching someone's tone, pace, or body language creates a sense of familiarity. We're naturally drawn to people who feel similar to us. Just don't overdo it. Trick 4. Listen to understand. Most people listen just long enough to reply. Likeable people listen to genuinely understand. Giving someone your full attention is surprisingly rare, and incredibly memorable. Trick 5. Share small vulnerabilities. Perfect people can feel intimidating. A small, relatable flaw makes you seem more human and approachable. This is known as the pratfall effect. Trick 6. Validate before you advise. Before offering solutions, acknowledge how someone feels. People want to feel understood before they want to be helped. Trick 7. Make others feel interesting. One of the fastest ways to become memorable is making other people feel fascinating. Encourage them to tell stories, share opinions, and express themselves. The 2 most powerful tricks on this list are probably the ones people use the least. Listening to understand. And making others feel interesting. Here's why. Most conversations are actually competitions for attention. People are waiting for their turn to speak. So when someone meets a person who is fully present, genuinely curious, and deeply interested in what they're saying, it stands out immediately. Think about the most likable person you've ever met. Chances are, they didn't talk non-stop about themselves. They made you feel important. That's the secret. People may forget what you said. They may forget what you did. But they'll remember how they felt around you. And if they consistently feel valued, heard, and appreciated, they'll naturally enjoy being around you. Let's recap. Use people's names. Ask more questions. Mirror their energy. Listen to understand. Show small vulnerabilities. Validate feelings first. And make others feel interesting. None of these require charisma, status, or natural talent. Just awareness and practice. Which of these psychological tricks surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more psychology and self-improvement content, and check out my next video on the hidden habits of highly charismatic people. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.